The stretch command is found on the modified drop-down toolbar. There it is, about halfway down. It's also found on the modified toolbar. Here I've floated it across on top of the design. We might, for the sake of argument, want to increase the length of this wall here. The wall is 25 feet. This is a US example. And what we want to do is to stretch all the items that I've set in red to the right by, let's say, 5 feet to make a 30-foot wall through there. First thing I'm going to do is we're going to select the arc, this line, and of course the wall itself and that horizontal paved area there. So let me put these on a separate layer. So let's just turn that layer off to get them out of the way. I've called that L-dim. So let's use the stretch option. So here we go, stretch. The prompt says select the objects. Now you need to set what's called a crossing window. So I'm going to pick down the bottom left and move up. See how the box is crossing all the entities that we want to stretch. That means the vertical line here, the horizontal line, and I'll hold the shift key down to remove that object there, and that's now done. So we should now, having selected the objects, should be able to hit the right mouse button, and we're asked to specify a base point. We're going to stretch the wall, so let's pick that wall and we'll move in the direction that we want to go in. And you can see immediately that I've forgotten to include this line, this one, and this one. So I'll just back out of there again, recall the command, and we're going to stretch all of these. So I'll take that one out and we'll try again. So it's right mouse button, indicate a base point, and as I move now, let's put polar on so that we can easily move in that direction. And we can use the at nomenclature, so at 5, angle using relative coordinate system, at 5 and at an angle of 0, and we do that. So that line, which was previously 25 feet long, now becomes a 30-foot wall. So the stretch command sometimes needs a little fiddling, as you've seen, but is really, really powerful editing tool.